In this video, I'm installing the bolt hood lock on my 2020 Jeep Gladiator Django. When I purchased my Jeep, I thought it was weird that the hood didn't lock and anybody could have access to the engine bay, and it became more and more concerned the more modifications that I made to it. Especially after I purchased the ARB twin air compressor, it was super expensive and really easy to remove. I couldn't stop worrying about coming out in the morning and finding something expensive missing, but I'm going to take care of that problem now. Let's get the installation started. In the description, there's a link to purchase the hood lock along with all the tools you'll need for the installation. Also, there's a link to purchase more dirt, more distance hoodies and tees like this one if you're interested. The main reason I chose bolt lock is that it uses your vehicle's key, so I don't have to worry about keeping track of another one. Insert your key into the lock and turn it clockwise until it stops. The lock is now coded to your key. Turn the key into the unlock position and continue with the install. Using the Flathead Screwdriver, remove the 6 plastic pins on the top of the grille. Once all 6 pins have been removed, gently pull the grille towards you. There are clips on the side and the bottom. Place the grille face down in an area you can work in. We'll get back to it later. The lock is mounted to the frame of the vehicle. There are 4 holes in the frame that match the lock. All 4 holes should line up. The lock is secured to the frame using the 4 1/4-inch rivets provided. You'll need a hand riveter that's capable of handling 1/4-inch rivets. Secure the lock to the frame using the rivets. Make sure the lock is functioning properly before reinstalling the grille. If this video has been helpful, like and subscribe so you don't miss my next one. A center grille insert is provided, but that's for the JL. If you have a JT, you don't need it. If you have a JT Gladiator, you have to go to the Bolt website and download a template that you use to cut away a section of the front grille. Here's the template. You're going to place it on the back of the grille in the center. The template should match the pattern in the grille, and you're going to cut away the pieces that fall along the red dotted line. It's time to reinstall the grille. New push pins are provided for the top of it, but since mine came out without any issues, I'm going to use those and save these for sometime in the future. Here's how it looks installed. I wish Bolt would have done a custom insert for the JT like they did for the JL. It looks a little DIY-ish to me. I would prefer a cleaner OEM look. I did one final test to make sure everything locked up tight, fit well. It did. To see more of my Jeep mods and installs, click the end screen now.